Hello creators, in this After Effects tutorial, we will see how to create this viral transition in After Effects. So without any wait, let's jump into After Effects and see how to create this transition. Here we will create transition for this footage. First, create duplicate of this video. Now let's freeze this layer at start of the frame. Go to time, select freeze frame. Now create two duplicate of this layer. Place them and trim at distance of 5 frames from one another as shown. Now we will create mask for each media layer. Select Pen tool and create mask as shown. Here I will create mask covering the face. For second layer, we will create mask for neck area. For third layer, create mask for remaining body. Perfect. Now let's create a new solid. Set the color for solid layer. Here I will set it to white. Now trim the layer for 5 frames. Create 2 duplicate of this solid layer. Place them above media layer. Now copy the mask of the media file. Paste it over the above solid layer. Now do the same for second mask. Copy it, paste it over the second solid layer. Now do the same for third layer. Now for solid layer, let's create opacity keyframes. At start, create keyframe. At end of layer, set opacity to 0%. Select keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Now copy this keyframes. Paste it at start of the solid layers. You can see the keyframes. Perfect. Now let's add the saber effect to this solid mask layer. From Effect, Video Copilot, select Saber. If you can't see this, you need to install Saber plugin. Download link is provided in the description for Saber. In Customize Core, set core type to layer mask. Set core size to 1. Now set the glow color. Here I will set color to white. Now let's copy the saber effect. Paste it over the second and third solid mask layer. Now for solid layers, change mode to add. Now let's enable the motion blur. Perfect. You can see the complete preview. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you want any other viral effects tutorial, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you.